In terms of overall market performance, we all know that the last 3 years have been challenging in the world of general aviation. At Signature, we feel quite bullish about our prospects as the market continues to rebound from the recession. Being in a leadership position at Signature is also a very positive position for us because we tend to benefit on a greater basis from a market rebound. So we're looking bullish. Our expansion plans continue to be bullish in this regard, and we see the market turnaround as beginning, while a little bit slower than most would have expected. We see it progressing very positively moving forward.
Signature's international operations currently consist of 25 locations. We have 24 locations in Europe as well as one in Africa. When we look at the distribution of business jets around Europe, we find that there are two key markets, one of which is the United Kingdom. We have 12 locations in the UK, and the second most populous region for business jets in Europe is Germany. Signature has put forth a one-stop shop offering for customers. When we look at the relatively complex operating environment that our customers will face in terms of slot controls, restricted airspace, and overall difficulties in obtaining parking and landing locations, what we have is Signature with one phone call, one email, can sort that out, whether a customer desires to drop and go or long stay or move from one airport to another, whether they're going to the Olympic Village or going to one of the rowing events or going to a football match in Scotland. One phone call with Signature and we can sort through slots, parking, and everything else that a customer will need to visit the Olympics this summer.
From January 2012, BBA Aviation will have a permanent presence in Asia. We see Asia as a source of long-term development to grow exceptional value for our shareholders, and the importance of the region in growth at the moment has prompted us to open a regional office which will be focused on developing a strategy for the entire Asia Pacific region and also in supporting the current businesses that we have out there in the market. At this time, the BBA Aviation does have a number of businesses in Asia. We own a share of Hong Kong Business Aviation Centre, which has been a strong performing FBO for us for a number of years. We've also got a regional turbine centre which we are opening in January 2012, which is it supports the Honeywell platform of the 731 and also all of the Honeywell APU products across the region. And we also have a component repair shop which is primarily based on the Airbus and Boeing platforms at the moment. We're obviously forming a view as we open this new office in Asia, so we will be learning as we go in there. At the moment it is a relatively small market with a huge growth potential. I think we've got something like 60 to 70% of all business jets are based in North America, and over the next 10 years that profile will change significantly with both Asia Pacific and Europe continue to grow. So at the moment we see we're watching that growth and we're actively looking to support that growth. The actual concentration of aircraft means that we may have to consider a wider range of services at some point in order to support that region.
From a Signature perspective, our points of differences are the fact that we've got the largest global network of FBOs in the world, clearly exceeding even the closest competitor to Signature's network. But not only the network is an area of differentiation for Signature, it's the service, the consistent level of service that we deliver at all of our locations throughout our network. In addition to that, we're very focused on differentiating ourselves through expansion and growth. And over the last recent months, we've made some very strategic acquisitions that, again, demonstrate Signature's commitment to growth. As an example, Bozeman, Montana, Yellowstone Jet Center, a very, very positive success story for Signature in terms of now being part of the Signature family. Isla Grande, San Juan, Puerto Rico. We just added an FBO this summer. We acquired an FBO in Puerto Rico, extremely successful for the network. In Edinburgh, we acquired an FBO, again, expanding our footprint in Europe. So those are examples of Signature's continued points of differences in being in world-class locations throughout the network. Over the last 2 years, Signature has undertaken an extensive program to launch new products and services that are relevant to our customers. And so I start by the first and foremost, which is safety. And we introduced a new safety program named Safety with a Leading Edge throughout our network. And it provides state-of-the-art safety information and training for all of our employees throughout our network. It's a nationally recognized program, and we work with federal agencies on ensuring that we maintain the utmost best-in-class service standards throughout our network. The second one that we launched in partnership with Ritz-Carlton is Service with a Leading Edge. And we're very proud of the fact that we introduce a new service culture to the company. Every employee in the company, from our CEO to our line service technician, has attended Service with a Leading Edge. And it provides our employees with the tools to be able to provide the best level of service to our customers consistently throughout our network. In addition to that, we've also launched new technology. And in the area of technology, we have a world-class point-of-sale system, which we have named Signet. And it's available at all of our locations, including new locations that we acquire. It provides a faster transaction time for our customers, and it provides the ability for our employees to be able to transact with customers much more efficiently. And then finally, we just introduced a new wonderful product and service, which is a partnership product that allows FBOs to join the Signature network as part of a select group of FBOs. The name of the product is Signature Select. It allows you to join our family in the framework of a franchise relationship. That's what's happening in the world of Signature today.